Follow me as I go to school today. So this is me trekking inside the school with my friends. So we are a bit late and we are rushing to lectures. And ta-da, here's our classroom. The lecture is going on. Hi guys, it's your girl Esther, and today I want you to follow me as I prepare for today's lecture. So many of you have been asking me to do a vlog, students life, how you prepare for lecture. So this is early in the morning. It's like 6:30. I've woken up because I have morning lectures, and I'm saying my morning prayer because this is really necessary for you to say your morning prayer. Invite God for your daily activities and for God's protection and for today's activities. So here I'm done. I'm just arranging my bed, teddy bear. So I'm gonna rush and go brush my teeth. I'm gonna brush my teeth now because I'm running late. So let's go, guys. Yeah, now brush my teeth. I'm going to the bedroom. I'm going to the bedroom to do my stuff, brush my teeth, and then here we are. Yeah, so I'm gonna brush my teeth. So I'm gonna show you guys bit by bit how I prepare for today's lecture. Although it was a feast class today, I have no idea we're gonna go to school today because we don't. Today is not lecture at all. We are not meant to have any lectures today. We don't have any lectures. It's a free day, but then they send a message to WhatsApp that their feast class, one lecturer feast class. So what do you have to do, guys? You have to prepare, yeah, because I don't like missing my lectures. No, it's good that you attend lectures. So that's why I just jump out from the bed and then start preparing. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna flush it. Yeah, I'm done brushing my teeth now. Moving to the room. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna take a quick shower, bathe, but before I bathe, you're gonna help me choose the outfit. Although I want something simple because I'm not called for all this dressing today, dressing code, no quality dress. I just need a simple dress I'm gonna put on. Sometimes you feel like wearing simple dress, so I'm still picking. I don't know what to put on. Should we go with trousers? I think I found one. Yeah, let's go with trouser with the white shirt. Yeah, I think this is perfect because I just want to be a simple girl. Just want to look simple today, you know what I mean? Yeah, wow, I think this is super simple. No stress. Rock it with my slippers on. It's fine, guys. What do you think? Yeah, that's it. So it's about 8, and this is a 9 o'clock lecture, and his head is going to 8. I think is 7:34. So I'm gonna take a quick shower. Although my friend called me, I said that she'll be coming over because she's going to come. I should wait for her. So I'm gonna take a quick shower so that once she knock at the door, we'll start heading to school. Yeah. So I think it's, yeah, like I said, I think it's 7:30. So I'm gonna take a quick shower right now, guys. So I'll be right back, okay? Hi guys, welcome back. So this is me. I'm done bathing and now I'm applying my lotion. And then yeah, I'm lotioning my body and then my face. Just a quick one because I'm running late, yeah. And then put on my shawl, yeah. And then my oil perfume, my neck. So you're gonna smell nice, You need to smell nice, even if you're looking simple. So that's it, girl. Look at the clothes we picked. Trying to look simple. Should I tuck it in? I should put it in. How will I look if I should put it in? No. I don't think it's okay. Let me just bring it out. Let me just fly it out, guys. I think this is better. I think it's better this way. Take this down. Yeah. Oh, fine girl, beautiful girl, African queen. Oh, I say you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yes. Think I'm gonna put on my wristwatch now. I don't joke with my wristwatch. So put on my wristwatch, quick one, and then sit down and brush my hair because my hair is all looking rough now. So I'm gonna brush it, apply some edges, hair wax. Yeah, do my hair. So as you can see, I'm just doing my hair, making it look neat and all nice, repacking it, guys. So that's it, because you need to look nice even if you are looking simple outfit, but you get it too. And I don't do much makeup because if we have morning lecture like this, I don't do much makeup. I'm not even a makeup type. I don't like apply much on my face because I kind of have oil face. You can see some pimples, so kind of just use my simple makeup, brush my hair, comb my eyebrow, put on my lips gloss, nothing else, then dash to school. Sometimes I even forgot to take my breakfast when I'm rushing to lectures, to be like, because this is Africa, guys, this is Africa. You have to be cautious of everything you're doing, because once you're late, many students are there. You're gonna end up standing up and receiving your lectures. So that's why you have to be early so that you can see vacant chair and then relax before the lecturer will be in the hall. So this is me applying my lipstick. And my Vaseline lip gloss. My lip gloss has finished. Yeah, it has finished at this moment. So I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I don't like my lips being dry, so that's why. So funny. Okay, guys. Why I did that is because I don't want it to be much, like sticking in my mouth. That's why I use pepper to dab some out. But I'm gonna use tissue. But this is the easiest thing I saw around me. That's why I just grab it, and then here am I combing my eyebrow. I think something is missing. Yeah, let me quickly grab my eye pencil, my brown pencil. I'm gonna use to blend my upper lips because I like blending my upper lips dark. I like it being dark and the lower one being pink. That's it. So I'm sharpening it. So this is me applying it on my upper lips, making it look all nice. And when I'm done this, there's this day that I went to school and one of my classmates was like, Esther, is this your natural lips, the upper one? Like, is it this dark? I said, yes, it's dark. And I say, no, like, but it looks real. I said, it's real, it's dark. Can I touch it? Do you see anything? I was like, okay, but my eyes, when I apply it, is like black, very black. I say, oh, my own is natural because I use brown, dark brown one. But it's like she kind of using black one. So that's different. So I didn't tell her my secret. It's my little secret. So I'm gonna grab my book. I'm looking for my book. yeah, the book for the course we have that day, yeah, eng 40. There we have that day. So I'm kind of looking for the book. I didn't see it in the bookshelf, so it's like it's down. Quickly grab it, and now I'm gonna wear my perfumes. I don't want this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Is the fragrance is flower. Yeah, this one is a bit harsh, so I don't need it. I'm gonna go with this one because the fragrance is nice. It's simple. Yeah, let me use the word simple. So that's it. Now I'm gonna quickly grab a bag. So help me pick a bag. I just need a simple handbag. So there are many bags here, but I'm looking for something that will suit my simple clothes. And I don't think the white one will match. Ouch. Okay. Yeah, I think this Osbrod is perfect. The one down below, yeah, that one I think is perfect. So I'm gonna go with that one. I'm gonna go with it. So guys, look at it here. Look at the handbag. Look, it's nice. Isn't it, right? So I'm gonna show you how. Trying to set my camera. So, and I'm a bit in a haste. I'm rushing, and I swear doing this vlog is not easy, guys. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I'm looking all simple, beautiful, simple. Yes. So I was like, should I go with looking for? And I said, no, I should go with, since someone is important. And then I hear a knock at the door, and that must be Joy. So the next thing is when we are going down from my lodge, going down from the steps. We are going to school now. So this is us. And look at this one. So I couldn't say hello. Nonsense. So we have to go to lectures now. We are late though, but 30 minutes late. Make it quick. This is us on our way to class. Fifth class. That's 407. Yeah. My uncle, that's initially they say we don't have class today, so everybody just relax. We are happy. Can you imagine? I was even sleeping. What even? I finished watching movie. I slept off. I got a call from this way. They're calling me telling me, Joy, we have class. Don't mind our bush area, yeah? See this map. That's it. So we need to go. But the person forgot the place, same slot. Or using my same slot. Or do it another. Jesus Christ. Yeah, no problem, just take it. But make sure it rains. And this is how Joy saw her friend, and she rushed to hug her and greet her, and they're kind of laughing at me. Yes, what are you doing? I was like, I'm doing content. I'm making content. I'm videoing. She was like, you and this your content. And then, so after that, look at us. This is our school gate. This is how our school gate look like, the back gate. So, but this is not the main gate, it's the back gate. So this is how it look like. If 9. These are some students that have already gone to lecture and coming back, maybe 7 o'clock lectures, and ours is 9 o'clock lectures. So, and this is us, and this is me walking majestically. Going to the school gates, approaching to the school gates, yeah. And then begging my friend to video me, but she was So we finally reached to the school, and then the lecturer have already come, and then here we are jotting things down while the lecture is going on, grabbing some things, penning something down on the book. And I can't stand up and video because the lecturer is actually at our front. That's why my camera is down, because this is Africa. You don't do anyhow. You compose yourself, because the kind of when I stand up, you'll be mad. So the lecture is over, and here students chatting, greeting each other, and then making noise, because this is the last lecture in this week. Yeah, so kind of. And here she is, tired, seems tired. And my friends, videoing them. Naomi, Faith, all of them, my classmates. Yeah. Thank you for watching and staying up to this moment. So if you are new here, I want you to smash down on the button below, and then subscribe. Turn on your post notification to get notified each time we upload our new videos.